In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide or show Gmail labels instantly. So first things first, I'm heading over to gmail.com. I'm waiting for everything to load so we're on the main mail view. Once we're here, you can see your inbox and the usual panels on the left hand side, and that's where all your labels are listed. I'm scrolling down the left sidebar until I find the labels section. Here's where Gmail organizes all the categories and custom labels you've created, so it's easy to see everything at a glance. Now let's say there's a label I want to hide to keep my sidebar cleaner. I'm going to click on that label to highlight it, and then right next to it I see the three dot icon. This is where Gmail hides all the extra options. I'm clicking on the three dot icon and a small menu pops up with several options for that label. I'm going to select hide from the menu, and just like that the label disappears from the main view in the sidebar. It's not gone completely, it's just hidden, which is great if you want to reduce clutter or only focus on the labels you're actively using. At this point, if I want to show the label again, I just scroll down to the bottom of my sidebar where Gmail keeps hidden labels tucked away. Clicking on the small More link reveals all the hidden labels, and then I can click on the three dot icon again and choose Show to bring it back into the main sidebar. It's super simple, and you can do this for any label to quickly manage what's visible without deleting anything. So basically the steps are really straightforward. Go to Gmail, scroll to your label, click the three dots, and choose either hide or show depending on what you want. Doing this helps keep your sidebar neat and only shows the labels you really need at the moment, and that's really all there is to it. Whether you have a handful of labels or a ton, this trick makes it easy to instantly control what you see so your Gmail stays organized and less overwhelming. It's a tiny adjustment, but it really helps when you're trying to focus on your most important emails without distraction. So that's how you hide or show Gmail labels instantly, and you can repeat it anytime you want to manage your sidebar without any hassle.